Now you can open it.
Wow, I have no clue. It's for the Blazer, I'm guessing. New spark plugs. Not spark plugs, wires. Cool. Bam.
Look at the oils down here.
10.4 millimeter.
Yep. Oh, they're thick cables.
Yep, and they're a different boot end.
Huh.
They should fit better.
Yeah. And they're blue.
Here, pop this open.
Come on. You have your finger on it.
No, I didn't. Just pull
How's
it.
it stuck?
I don't know. One size fits most. I wanted to check that O-ring on that pickup tube.
You did?
Yeah, I wanted to because I wanted to see what kind of pickup tube this motor's got.
Ew.
I want to make sure it's the right one. See how the boot ends are?
Oh yeah.
See how short they are?
Yeah.
That moves the wire all the way up to the head, and it doesn't stick out as far, so it's going to have more clearance than the ones you got now.
They're actual LS coils.
And they're 10.4
yeah.
instead of the Taylor 8 millimeter.
And
So it should do better with heat, yeah. And they're blue and black. Thought you'd like that better.
That look cool.
Yeah.
This shit needs to get.
They're messing with the oil pump.
Trying to.
I'm just in the engine.
Yep.
And this damn reservoir too doesn't want to go in.